Welcome back to my channel, Tactical Meatloaf, and today we venture out of state, for me the first time, to a place called Airsoft Arena. I'll have the location in the description down below. I will say, this place was fun. Hate the flashlights. Sit back and enjoy the show.
Are you recording?
Yeah, I'm getting it set up right now. Oh, bro. They still there? They still there? Yeah, I just made one. This is the second video I'm making. Tactical Meatloaf. I've got like 30 subscribers. They're all friends and family. But the first one I made on Friday. This is the second one I'm making. And there's another Tactical Meatloaf, but it's literally just a meatloaf as a picture. Yo, hit. We are taking some heavy artillery. Bang, bang! You're good. Yeah. I think there's a guy at that middle building on the left side. I'm gonna go to right there. I said it first.
Okay.
Oh my god, my fucking eye, dude. I hate flashlights.
Good shot.
Yeah, that was way out there.
Sorry, boss.
Huh?
He knows me.
Yeah. I'll follow you.
The other guys, so they just like went in a group and they just sprayed. Then they got the play.
Bang kill!
Good shit, boss.
He's in that building, right? I'm gonna go through this front door right here.
Thank you. Oh, you would have had me if you said it.
No, I didn't say it. You didn't hear?
No, I didn't even hear a word. I'll go back too, though. Don't worry. I knew you were in there somewhere. I didn't even hear a word come out of his mouth, but my spawn's right here. His is way down there. Thank you. Thank you. Ah. Watch out this window. Watch out, he's right at that fucking... Yo, you see my hand up, bro? Shouldn't go. Thank you. Yo, blue shirt, I hit you, bro. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Hit. clear. Yeah. You're good, come through, yeah. Thank you! You're alright, brother. Hi.
I thought you were coming around. I was trying to bait you.
Well, you got a buddy on that left side where I can't get you.
Yeah, I thought he was coming in.
He's going to the left. He's on the left. He's going to the right. I'm gonna make a song out of this. Bow, 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 bow. He's in the middle. Bow, bow now. He's watching both sides. Bow, bow now. Thank you, thank you. Thank you.
Dude, I was like, oh, it's just a shadow because I saw the dark.
I have no idea where I'm supposed to go. Hey, thank you. Oh, you fucking terrified me. Holy shit. Thank you.
Hope you enjoyed it. It was a bit of a shorter video as their rules are different than the place I normally go to, but make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and comment down below.